Omugyera gwa Mpanga n'omugyera gumwe omu ihanga ogurikukomoka omu rushozi rwa Rwenzori kandi ogu niguraba omu districts zirikuhika 5 omu kyanga kya Rwenzori. Ahabw'okwenda kurinda okucwekyerera kw'omugyera ogu, ab'eby'obuhangwa bariyo nibataho emiringo eyakubaasa kuhwera okugaruzaho eby'obuhangwa aha mugyera ogu obutacwekyerezibwa.
NRD has various departments like natural resources, WASH and so forth, advocacy and so forth. So under WASH, we carry out these. These are called eco-friendly. In short, you can call them eco-sand toilets.
We have been implementing several remedial management measures, and these were greatly informed by the developed catchment management plan for Mpanga. Some of the challenges that were affecting water and environment resources.
Households, public institutions, and other public places around the town. And majorly, we pilot these interventions to demonstrate to the people what they can do better to protect and conserve the water resources around them.
Omurufot potro Kamwenge hamwe na Kitagwenda emiringo etari emwe n'emwe erimu neetebwa omu nkora kandi aba NRDI obwahati batireho na sarebedo kugaba emiti erikurinda eby'obuhangwa omurufot potro obwo tireho na n'okubyara amabare agarukworeka ensharo z'ebishara.
Tooro enyuma basanga kanu kafuka kurungi muno baitu hati n'obuhakugwenjura akaija mu kakasana omusana ine okubura kubuochi.
What I urge them to do is to coordinate with the ministry, but also maybe through the district environmental offices to apply for user permits for that buffer zone, the 100-meter buffer. Once they apply for permits to use it, maybe in a sustainable way, they can put beehives, they can put fruit trees, they can put trees maybe for timber or whichever.
Twaka marketinga ziri around kilomita 15 izitwaka pema kandi tuliyo ntichagumizamu okupemeza kilomita 20 akire turole ya finances ziratwekereza twagondeze Mpanga yona
to give meaning and justification for the need for conservation, because without now conserving this catchment and the ecosystems that surround it, then we are bound to lose on the quality of the water, to lose on the quantity of the water.
Omugyera ogu gwine oburingwa bwa kilomita 200 kandi niguraba omu districts nka Kamwenge, Kabale, Kitagwenda, Ibanda kandi niguhenderera omu nyanja ya Lake George.
Ekyokubanza kambanze nsiime Jesse na Join for Water abo twatira yitwe nka district okureba ngo twataho emitano erawezika hagati y'abataka hamwe n'omulindi gwa Mpanga.
Obwahati omugyera ogu niguteberezebwa kwija kukorerwamu emirimo nyamwingi aharimu okugwejunisa kutungura eby'oburambuzi, eby'entambura hamwe na n'ebindi bingi. Amakuru agashakwa Anthony Atwine.